This is a recording on how to use the online meta calculator site. So you're just going to tap on that and it will take you there. And so if you're back on the main screen, let me get back here, just tap on graphing calculator. Then you're just going to put your equation in. So y equals 4 minus x squared, and then press enter and it will graph it. And if you need a table, you tap on table and you can go create table, and I usually start at like -3. So you can see the pattern there in the y value. So the vertex is 0, 4 that I always talk about. But this is a nice graphing calculator tool that you can use to graph and get a table. So I encourage this. There's my little advertisement again. If you need to use the graphing calculator, okay, basically you go to y equals. And you might, if something looks really off, you might have to ask me, because there are mode settings that need to be, you need to see all of these things chosen. I'll pause for a moment there to make sure that you have all of these things chosen. Obviously, my date for my clock is wrong. Not so important on a calculator, but degree A plus BI, that's like a one-time check. Math print, stat diagnostics on. So anyway, second quit out of there. But anyway, to graph, go to y equals, clear everything out, and you want to do 4 minus, here's your x key right here, x, and then I just use the squared key, but the up arrow is the exponent. And then you got to go to your table set. So that's where we decided where to start. The table was at -3 on the online, and the delta table is 1, meaning that it's going to increment by 1. Make sure you're auto and auto. And then you're going to go to your table. So you have to set your table and go to your table on this. And if you see anything that's off on your calculator, sometimes there's different apps that mess up the y equals. Your plots do not have those darkened. So if you see a plot darkened like this, that means it's going to try to graph things that are on your lists, and it's not going to be, you're going to be very frustrated. So you need to take those are statistical plots. You need to make sure those are off. Okay, so it's a video on how to use your graphing calculator or an online graphing calculator.